Falafel with tahini dressing. Welcome to Aisha's Lavender Kitchen. In a large bowl, place 2 cups of dried chickpeas. Pour cold water double the amount of the chickpeas and soak overnight. Do not boil chickpeas or use canned, as this will give you mashy falafel or falafel which is most likely to fall apart when frying. In a food processor, place 30 to 40 grams of coriander and 50 to 60 grams of parsley. Add 2 medium onions and 2 garlic cloves. Process the vegetables to a fine texture. Add some of the chickpeas and continue processing. Place the processed chickpeas and vegetables into a large bowl. Now process rest of the chickpeas. For a crunchy falafel, process the chickpeas coarse. For a smooth, crispy falafel, process the chickpeas fine. Add 4 tablespoons of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin. Mix well to combine all the ingredients. Cover with cling film and refrigerate 1 to 2 hours. Refrigerating will help to roll your falafel into balls. Roll your falafels into the desired shape or size. If you do not want to fry all your falafel, go ahead and freeze some, simply by placing into a bag not too close to each other. To fry the falafel, heat the oil to medium to high heat. Check with a toothpick to see if it's ready. Slowly place in the falafel and fry 5 to 10 minutes until golden brown. To make the tahini dressing, I recommend using a food processor. Add 1/2 cup of tahini, less than 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 garlic cloves, and 3 whole lemon juice. Process until everything's well combined. Using a food processor prevents your tahini to curdle when lemon juice and water is added. Slowly add in cold water to the desired amount. Process until you have a smooth texture. Using a spoon, mix the bottom of the bowl and add more water if needed. Crunchy falafel made from coarse chickpeas. Smooth, crispy falafel made with fine chickpeas. Enjoy falafel in pita bread and salad with tahini dressing. Falafel delicious served with salad, hummus and tahini dressing. If you enjoyed watching my video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.